Hello, I'm here to introduce to you a Web 2.0 tool known as a wiki. If you're a first-time user, you'll find this informational and informative and may even be able to do a teach back when I'm through. This is known as a wiki page. More specifically, it's known as a wiki homepage. Within the wiki homepage, assuming that you have what we call editing rights or administrator rights, you'll be able to manipulate the page. For example, in your homepage, you may be able to click on Edit. And as a result of that, you'll be able to document information as you choose. I'm documenting information. This is one example. Within the editing of a page, you'll be able to use File, which is a tool that permits you to upload images as well as MP3 or audio, and perhaps some other things that you may have saved or you want to retrieve in order to upload here, and then ultimately insert as part of the page. The other item that you might be able to use if interested is something called a widget. Within that, you'll be able to select from a number of options here. One that is used quite often is other HTML, which requires an embed code, and we'll learn that in part 2 of this session. Once you're through, you can save or cancel out of this, and to review your changes or additions, you can click Save in order to see that, or you may even just want to do a preview, which tells you what it's going to look like. To continue editing, just click on that button I depressed, and perhaps you may want to use some other tools, for example, table. You can insert the number of rows and columns here. If you'd like to edit the text itself, then you can use some of these applications, which allow you to modify the font type, the color, and placement as well. In order to bold, italicize, underline, those are all options, and to insert numbers and things of that nature, as well as links. So let's save and get out of here. So this is your home page. To add additional pages, simply go to the Page and File hyperlink to the right and click on New Page. Once you've done that, and it does take a while, you can then label your page and it creates it for you and takes you there so you may begin to edit. Once this comes up, I'm going to go ahead and get out and just introduce you. Here's the example. And just introduce you to a couple other things here. For example, if you do have administrator rights, or as a member, I apologize, you'll be able to create those pages. As an administrator, however, you'll be able to reach out to other members and add them, as well as modify the settings. So that is a correction on my part. If you're a member, you can do the editing. However, if you have administrator rights, you can certainly go in and add additional members and invite them, as well as modify the settings. Settings is just what it is. It allows you to modify some things associated on the back end, as well as the look and feel. So this has been part 1 of introducing you to how to establish a wiki. Wikis are designed for informational purposes as well as interaction. It is a collaboration tool, so I hope you learn to enjoy using it as much as I have. Thank you.